I just want to let you guys know that this place right here, it's about to get Juvias. It's gonna be a Juvias Place. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, clearly we're doing Juvias Place. I'm super excited. I even put it in my little backdrop shelf thing right here. Someone is being rude and interrupting me. I'm finally playing with some Juvias Place. This palette I've had for a long time, but this is the only Juvias Place palette that I've ever used. And as you can see, I've shown it lots of love. You know what? I wanted to try something new, so I picked up some Juvias Place eyeshadows. I have two of them right here. They had a really great sale on their website last week, so I picked up these two. This is the Afrique palette by Juvias Place. It's so pretty. It's super colorful. And then this is the Festival by Juvias Place. This is so pretty too. And look how big the pans are. Like, I will never go through one of these eyeshadows. I'm just so excited. And like, I want to use like this one as blush. I'm just super excited. You can use these as highlight. Just the whole packaging. So pretty. And then I also picked up two loose highlighters, which I'm so excited about. I saw these in Ulta not that long ago. I want to say it was like Black Friday. I saw these in Ulta and I was like, ooh, I gotta remember that I really like those. So these are the two that I picked up. They're Cleo and Nefertiti. So I'm super excited. One's a little more gold and one's a little more of like a white gold. So we're gonna see what we like. I also have the Juvias Place foundation, which I have not used on camera yet. So I'm excited to kind of play with that. I do really want to pick up the concealer, but I just don't have it yet. So this is what we're gonna work with today. I'm so excited. I even have some new lashes to try out today. They're not Juvias Place, but new lashes nonetheless. So let's jump right into it and see what we can do. Wow, look naked. I'm gonna start with my eyes. So I just kind of carved out the bottom of my brows. I didn't fill my brows in yet because I do that last. But I'm just grabbing some of the blank canvas P. Louise base because it's really good. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with, ooh, I wanna use both palettes because I can't just use one. I'm gonna start with this one right here in my crease. I'm gonna start this right about here in my crease. By the way, I have no clue what look I'm doing, so we're gonna see where we end up. Also, I'm kind of living for these orange boxes behind me. So now that I have that down, I'm going to dip into something a little bit more orangey. So this one right here, it's a super bright orange. It's so pretty. This is my favorite brush. This is the M507 from Morphe. So I'm gonna pick that up and work it. Ooh!
Wow.
That is ridiculously good. Okay, I was not expecting that. And look how easy it's blending. Oh my God, Juvias. Oh my God, I was not expecting that. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting it. I'm happy I found it, but I was not expecting it. So I'm just gonna blend that around like that. And then kind of leave it a little harsh because I want to blend with something else, but I'm gonna blend the edges with my bigger brush with that first shade. Oh my God, my mind is blown. This is insane. This is a good eyeshadow. That first one was pretty, but oh my God, this one, are you kidding? I did not expect this to be this vibrant. I just didn't. I don't think I've ever worked with a shadow quite this vibrant. Okay, this is beautiful. Wow. I'm gonna pick up a tiny touch of this one from the Afrique palette, just on that same blending brush. I don't want a lot of this though, because I don't want to ruin the vibe, but I want to hit the edges with that yellow, just the edges, just to give it like a sunset-y kind of moment. Oh my God, these have to be like some of the best shadows I've worked with in a long time. So now I really want to go in with a little bit darker of a shade. I'm just gonna keep building. Okay, so this shade right here is a nice pretty red, so I'm gonna grab that on that same little blending brush that we used before. I'm gonna go right under that super vibrant shade that we used. I am blown away right now. I'm gonna grab a little bit deeper of a red right here. This one is like almost like a burgundy. And I'm gonna pop this right under, and these are good. I haven't gotten a single ounce of fallout either. Like, I could have easily done this look with my base already done, which blows my mind because they're so pigmented that you would think that there would be fallout, but guess what? There's not. Like, I'm a pretty aggressive blender too, and this, like, there's no fallout. They blend together so easily. So easily. Turn it really deep and right in the socket because, yeah, you guessed it, I'm about to cut the crease. Feeling the cut crease vibes today. I think I'm going to go in with the blue. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it and I'm not gonna be afraid. I'm just kind of using the shape of the brush to place it where I want, and then I'm gonna blend it. Don't worry, I'll blend it. Just wanna really deepen up the crease here. These blend like on their own. Now I need to take that really teeny brush again and pick up like a dot of this color and just blend it. The blue was a cool choice, I'm not gonna lie. I'm happy about this choice. I'm just kind of working my way up with the blending. See how that's like all blended out? And don't worry about this bottom part because we're gonna cut the crease there anyway. I'm even gonna dip a little bit back into that burgundy shade and just go on top, just so we don't lose it. I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna cut it with the P. Louise. I like to stamp out my cut crease first. I feel like when you stamp it, it's way cleaner. I kind of want to do like an ombre-ish thing going on here. So I want to do for sure the yellow in the front. So I'm going to take the yellow. This shade is really buildable. And then I want to pick up the green. Oh, I'm excited to touch this green. Oh, hell yes. And I'm patting to get the pigment to really stick where I want it. It's a little patchy. Got patchy right here, which really bothers me, but you know what? We're gonna move it along. Could be the base not reacting well with the shadow, but things were going so well. Okay, and then I'm gonna wipe off my brush actually first, and then grab the blue again. I wanna tap it right up against where we cut the crease. This is giving me like parrot vibes. And I'm just patting this all out here. This blue shadow is working a lot better than the green. That green's really pretty, but it just doesn't work how I want it to. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little concealer brush that I cleaned up my brows with, I guess, and just go right here. That's cute, right? I'm gonna add a little bit of the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy. Okay, cool. So that's one eye done. Now I just gotta match that on the other side, which is the impossible part. So be right back. Okay, so eyes are basically complete. I'm going to throw on some mascara. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes. This is a good one when I just need to literally coat my lashes to put on falsies. It doesn't like clump them up like I'm only wearing mascara that day. We've got a coat of mascara on, and I'm gonna pop on some brand new lashes from Morphe. I'm so excited about these. These are the Obsession lashes. I have worn them once already, so don't judge me, but they're so pretty and wispy. This is one of the styles that I saw and I was like, ooh, I gotta try that. There's a bunch of new styles out in Morphe stores and online, so definitely check them out. They're really good. A lash really makes such a difference. It just makes it so much prettier. Aren't these so pretty? I love these lashes. They are so pretty, and I feel like they go really well with this look. So next, I'm gonna show you guys the Juvias Place foundation. This is the I Am Magic foundation, velvety matte. So that's what it looks like right there. And I have the shade 710. I'm not gonna try to pronounce the name of it because I just can't. And I'm gonna put this on using a Beauty Bakerie sponge. This is one of the little egg blenders, and they're actually really good. So this foundation, I'm only putting literally this much on my hand. But this foundation is a very full coverage. Also, I already primed my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I put that in my T-zone, and then the Milk Hydro Grip everywhere else. I love the coverage of this foundation. It does oxidize a little, which is good because the shade's a little light on me. And the reason I wait to do my brows is because of this. Because I would get foundation all over them when I do them first. It's just something that I can avoid, so I avoid it. So, like I said, that little stripe on my hand literally did my entire face. Don't mind me, I have a burn on my neck and it hurts so bad. It's from my curling iron, from curling my hair this morning. I don't want to talk about it. So I feel that's pretty good. I'm going to add some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna go right up under the eye just to clean it up a little. On the nose, right here, you know the deal. Conceal, don't feel. Don't let them know. I always carry my concealer over my nose because my nose wears off so fast. So that's what it looks like with concealer. Now I'm gonna add just a touch, like a touch of Morphe White Concealer right here because I just like how this brightens. So since I am so fair, I use this shade kind of right in the corner to brighten up. And I just really like how it looks. You don't have to do this. Cute. And then I'm gonna set my face with some powder. I'm gonna finish up my face and then I'll come right back. Okay, so my face is complete. I'm going to add some highlight now. And I think I'm gonna use the shade. I have Nefertiti and I also have Cleo. And I think I'm gonna add Cleo, which is the lighter of the two because I'm super fair and I did my foundation super fair today. So I'm just gonna dump a little on the cap. Ooh, this is gonna be so pretty, but I know I'm gonna have to go light with this. I just sprayed myself with some setting spray, by the way, to help this pop a little bit. Not that it needs it, but I like to give it a little insurance, you know? Oh my God, so beautiful. Wow, this is gorgeous. Nose highlight, milk mustache moment. I love this. I don't know what it is about that highlight. I love the top of the lip highlight. A little bit on the chin, not too much. Now I'm gonna finish up the eyes. So I'm gonna take a little teeny brush. My favorite, this is the Morphe 213. And I'm gonna grab this shade right here. It's like a shimmery white shade. I'm gonna add it in my inner corner right here. I don't want too much, but enough for it to pop. So we got a little highlight going there, and then I'm gonna highlight the brow bone. Don't worry, I'm still gonna fill in my brows. For lower lash line, I'm gonna add just those 3 colors that we used on the lid. So I'm gonna use the blue first, and I'm gonna take it on a little flat brush, connect it to the outer corner. Okay, got blue. Now I'm gonna pick up the green and put it right next door. And then picking up the yellow right up in the front. Now I'm gonna just take a clean blending brush and just kind of fluff underneath all 3. Okay, this is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. It's exactly what I needed. All right, now we got the waterline popping out. Feeling good. I'm gonna fill in my brows and then I'll come back for the finished look. All right guys, and this is the finished look with Juvias Place. I'm so excited about this look. I love how it turned out. The eyeshadows are absolutely beautiful. They're so pigmented and colorful. I did get a little patchy on the lid, but I think that was my fault with the base. I did a little too thick on this side because this side was totally fine. I really love this look. The foundation looks beautiful. That highlight though, oh my God. So I'm really excited to keep using their brand. I definitely want to pick up the concealer for sure. Let me know what your favorite Juvias Place kind of items are, and I'll definitely try to pick them up or, you know, see what I can do to keep using them. If you want to see more looks with these palettes, please let me know. I would be happy to do it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you liked it. Comment down below, like I said, and let me know what you like from Juvias Place. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I've been doing hella videos lately, so don't miss it. Hit the little bell to be notified when I upload, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.